This one came all the way from New York, I believe, and it has the full satin carbon fiber Duke kit on there. The front exposed hood, the front lower lip, it's got the side skirt, it's got the wing in the back, and the crazy lights that go on the bottom of the diffuser. And the car is a factory Nero Nemesis color. Really what's cool about this car is this has the new carbon package on it. So this car came with a heavy amount of carbon fiber. The roof entirely carbon fiber from the factory with the pillars. So this car is almost fully carbon fiber. Literally, if the fenders, the doors, and the corners were carbon, it would be almost like a full exposed carbon car. Really cool. It does have a black and white interior, which goes really good with this combination. Really sick. And then really to top off this bad boy are the wheels. We have RDB 0 wheels. These are the same wheels that went on that silver one that pretty much probably is the most famous Revuelto out there. This is basically same wheels now on this. So looks crazy, wild. Obviously these could have been black wheels to go with the whole theme, but this customer opted to go, you know, obviously more flashy on the wheels. Great choice. Looks incredible, honestly. Really, really nice looking car. And then we have the white one coming up next. So the white one is a factory pearl white matte color, and that's also getting a satin carbon Duke kit. That thing is gonna get the roof scoop as well. This one doesn't have the roof scoop, and it's gonna get white wheels. So a lot of work there. So we're gonna keep at it. We have a lot of builds going on, but yeah, keep them coming.
Here we have Moses working in the model shop.
All right. For Sangway number 21. I have Carlos over here. Carlos is working on the hood. We're trying to get the hood ready for this blue for Sangway. Paint came out really nice. You guys can see all the carbon pieces on already. We have the trunk wing on. We have the roof wing on as well. We got the beautiful diffuser bumper on as well. Coming along. We still have a lot of work to do. We have to try to get this car done today. So,
Who matches the car?
let's take you guys to the front. We have the front bumper on. We have the carbon lip on. We're getting there, you guys. Getting there. We have the hood left, as we just discussed. Taking care of that right now. We still have quite a bit of work to do. So after it's all done, we still have to put everything together. We have fender liners we got to put together. Wheels are ready to be slapped on, and then we have to test drive, detail it. So yeah, we might be here for a very one of those late Fridays.
Night, yeah.
So yeah, unfortunately, that might happen.
This is beautiful, Baba. Saleh. No mames. This is beautiful. Full extras. Strong.
Celine Dion?
Beautiful.
Like Celine Dion.
Design. Everything, Papa.
We have a Alien crazy truck right here. I don't know much about this thing, to be honest. I was never a truck guy, but this car is a heavily modified truck, and it's got some rock chips all over it, as you can see. So the entire front end needs to be painted, and it has to be done right because red chips very easily, especially on a truck like this where the front end is pretty much flat and it's so big and it's so low. So this is a little bit of a tricky one. So we're gonna be fixing all those rock chips, which some people think you just sand the bumper and you paint it and then it fixes it. No, with the rock chips are technically damaged. They're damaging your bumper. They're taking pieces out of your bumper. So we have to fill those areas up. A lot of work is gonna go into this to make the front end right. Again, this truck is, I'm assuming this truck is well in the 150s. I'm not sure, but it's a cool truck. And then some of the flares are missing, are loose. They're missing bolts. I don't know exactly. We're gonna see how this flare kit goes on there. And we're gonna fix that so it never comes off again, and it's really, really good. But yeah, Saline, 2-door truck right here.
All right, Arthur. 2025 Lotus. We just finished repairing this baby. Customer is driving it off the lot right now as we speak. So a couple things. I don't know if you guys remember, we had the front bumper, the fender was ripped, and like a couple parts inside the bumper. Got all of those parts from the dealer, brand new OEM, just like the customer asked, just like the insurance paid for, and fixed it, painted it, put it back together, quick and easy. We have a bunch of more body shops jobs in here. We have a couple interesting ones, a couple Porsches, we have a Jaguar, you know, we're working on things right now. So soon, a couple things coming up next, exciting things. Stay tuned.
That's bullying. You do to me is bullying.
He's a bully?
Alright guys, in the world of Urus SEs, we got one of the first SEs we did right here. This is that crazy orange color. It is so bright, but I love it honestly. Really, really cool. It has the matte PPF on it, we did. But this has the full 1016 kit. As you can see, it has the perf style roof wing, trunk, diffuser, has this piece over here. A lot of carbon fiber on this car. And then it has obviously the amazing RDB signature wheels. This car, the customer opted to go pretty low on it. He wanted the low spec, so as you can see, this car is pretty much slammed. Looks crazy wild, honestly. But full of carbon throughout, with the orange pops really, really well. It's here because he's going on a rally and he wants to do the windshield protection, the headlight protection. So we're gonna be doing that. He has a little scuff on one of the PPFs. We're gonna be redoing. So a little basic maintenance stuff going on this. So glad to see it. Still rocking the RDB plate. We appreciate that. They'll get a discount for rocking that. But yeah, you let us know what colors you like. We just released a red one. We did 2 matte blacks. We did a regular black and obviously this orange color. Let me know what your favorite one is. I'm between the red and orange honestly, so let us know.
We know it's blue. We know.
Lo voy a poner de lado grueso, ¿verdad? ¿De este lado? ¿O no importa?
No del lado de este lado, pero aquí le pongo el pegamento yo.
Who broke it?
¿Ah?
Who broke it?
You broke it.
¡Ay! ¡Ay, güey!
Hey, too hard, bro. No, bro.
Fuck this guy.
No.
Wanna fuck you.
That was bad. It's a massage.
Yes, that's your ass.
How you call me?
Shut the fuck up, stop breaking stuff, first of all.
Oh yeah, he's got a point.
Abuse, man. See, I'm working and fucking hit me in the fucking.